boutique fine dining restaurant. May I know if you have reservation?
Yes, under the name of Miss Fernandez.
Please follow me to your table. Here is your table with a nice view. Would you like anything to drink while you wait for the menu? Perhaps a glass of water, fresh juice, or wine? Water for now, please. Okay, Ms. Fernandez. I get your water and please wait for me. I'll be right back. Here is your water, ma'am. Here is our menu for today. Please take a look and let me know if you have anything questions. Our chef special is grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. Very popular among our guests. Would you like to try a starter while you decide? That sounds good. I tried the Caesar salad as a starter. Are you ready to order drinks, ma'am? Yes, I like a mango shake. Excellent choice. And for your meal, I have the Caesar salad as a starter and the grilled salmon for my main dish. Thank you, ma'am. I confirm your order. 1 mango shake, a Caesar salad, and the grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. Is that correct, ma'am? Yes, that's correct. Ma'am, do you have any allergies or dietary restrictions? You should be aware that. No, I don't. Thank you, ma'am. I place your order now. Please wait for a while. Here is your mango shake. Please enjoy. Thank you. Here is your Caesar salad. Bon appetit. Thank you. It looks delicious. Here is your grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce. Serve hot as requested. Here is your mango shake to accompany your meal. Please let me know if you need anything else. Excuse me. Everything looks wonderful. Thank you. How are you enjoying your meal, Ms. Fernandez? It's excellent. I really like that flavor. I'm happy to hear that. Would you like anything else, such as extra condiments, side dish, or perhaps another drinks? No, I'm fine right now. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear your plates? Yes, please. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to see our dessert or coffee menu? Yes, please. We have a delicious selection to finish your meal: tiramisu, chocolate lava cake, and panna cotta. For drinks, we offer espresso, cappuccino, and herbal tea. Would you like to try one? I tried the tiramisu and cappuccino. Thank you, ma'am. I served that to you for a while. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your tiramisu and your cappuccino. Please enjoy. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bill whenever you're ready. Would you like to pay by cash or card? I pay by card. Thank you. Certainly, I process that right away. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you very much, Ms. Fernandez, for dining with us. We hope you enjoy your meal. Have a wonderful morning, and we're looking forward to welcoming you again. Thank you. I had a great time.